Today we are going to see the demo for expenses management MERN web application. Now let's see how to start the project. So first open the MongoDB. Here you can see the backend database. Click the DB name, you can view the collections. Collections can have the data. For example, if you want to see the user details, click the user collection. Here you can see the user details. Next open the Visual Studio Code. Here you can explore your project folder. Here we have 3 folders: Backend, Client and DB. Explore the Backend. Backend can have the models and routers. So model is nothing but model can have the field names. And explore the router. Here you can see the head, gate, port, post, source code. Then explore the client folder and then src components. Here you can see the React.js components files. Click the file name, you can view the source code. Then go to the readme text. Here you can see the steps for how to run the project, and then you can see the login details. First open the new terminal. Here we have run the backend and client. So first run the backend. Now install the node models. Copy the npm install and paste to the terminal. So I have been already installed. So now I am start the backend. Copy the command npm start and paste to the terminal. Now the backend database connection is ready. Next run the client. Now install the node models. Next run the client. Copy the npm run dev and paste to the terminal. Now we can see the project URL. Copy the URL and paste to the browser. So this is our project homepage. So here we have the chatbot. So first we will see the chatbot. So click the chatbot icon. Here you can see the chat page. Here you can enter your queries, it will respond for your queries. So I am going to show you. Here I can give the voice input. How do I invest my money? Here I can give the emojis also. If you want to erase the chat, click the class icon. Once you do that, it will be erased. Here we have the language translation option. Here you can choose the language. Now the language will be translated in Hindi. Here also you can select the language. Then click the show original. So the language will be translated in original. So before you log in the user, you have to register. So go to the user register. Here you can enter all the fields for user registration. So enter the username, and then user email ID, and then enter the password, mobile number. The mobile number should be in 10 digit, and then enter the city. So once you fill all the field, click the sign up button. So the password should be in 8 digit. It must contain one capital letter, one special character, and then numbers. So now registered successfully. Next, log in the user. Here also you can do the registration. Here also we have the language translation option. Now log in the user. So this is a user homepage. Here also we have the chatbot and then language translation option. So here we have several models. Let's start with the create category. Here you can enter the category name and then click the submit button. Once you do that, the category will be created. So what are the category you have been created, you can view manage category. If you want to delete the category, you can do it here. Here you can using the search option. Next, go to the add expenses. Here you can add the expenses. So first select the category and then select the date and then enter the amount. So once you fill all the field, click the submit button. Now the expenses will be created. So what are the expenses you have been created, you can view here. Here you can using the filter option. If you want to see particular date or last week expenses, you can enter the from and to date. Then click the filter option. Now you can see the particular date expenses. If you want to export the data, click the export button. It will be downloaded. If you want to edit anything, you can do it here. Next, go to the set budget limit. Here you can create your budget limit. So select the category and then enter the from and to range. Now the budget will be created. So what are the budget you have been created, you can view here. Here also you can edit the data. If you want to edit anything, you can do it here. Then go to the expenses summary. Here you can see your expenses summary details. Here also you can using the filter option. If you want to export the detail, you can do it here. Here you can see the amount, category, date and then range amount. So the range will be displayed based on your budget limit. For example, the food range is normal. Now I am going to set the budget limit. So now I am editing the budget limit. Now go to the see the expenses summary. Here you can see the food range is high because you enter the budget limit is 200 to 400. So it will be in 500. So the range amount is high. Then go to the my profile. Here you can see your profile details. If you want to edit anything, you can do it here. So this is the expenses management MERN web application.